Cavite, and they're off and running. Early lead is taken by 32, Hot Gossip by the rail. As they leave the straight, Hot Gossip followed by 32, Devil Racing, Malihim, and Oki Doki on the further outside. Heading for the backstretch, the lead is taken over now by Malihim by the rail. Moving up once again on the outside is Hot Gossip. Hot Gossip in the lead by Alain Canha, followed by Malihim in second, 32, Oki Doki, and Devil Racing. The mid-back stretch, it is still Hot Gossip by 3.5 lengths, followed by Malihim in second. And moving up on the outside, 32, Oki Doki, and Devil Racing. Nearing the far turn, it is still Hot Gossip, lengthening now by 4.5 lengths, followed now by 32 in second, Oki Doki riding in third, and Malihim, Devil Racing. Rounding the far turn, it is still entry number 2, Hot Gossip by 3.5 lengths, followed by 32 in second, and running in third is Oki Doki by another 3 lengths, and Devil Racing, Malihim. The last bend for home, it is still Hot Gossip. It's still Hot Gossip in the lead by 2.5 lengths, followed by 32 by the rail in second, and Oki Doki closing in third. Into the home stretch and nearing the payoff line, it is still Hot Gossip, followed by 32 in second. And nearing the payoff line, it is still Hot Gossip. And at the finish line, it's Annalyn Reloto on Hot Gossip, 32, Oki Doki, Devil Racing, Malihim.
Okay, crossing the wire first, top choice.